Hey guys, what's up? It's Patricia here coming to you live on this beautiful Sunday afternoon. And as you can see, I got a lot of swimming pools behind me. I'm actually at one of our pool yards, and I am checking out some of the inventory that we have in right now. I know y'all have seen us posting about some specials we have. Some of these pools are getting ready to go out to people's yards and help them create amazing backyard paradises, and some of these pools are actually available, and we're running some in-stock specials right now. So I wanted to just give y'all a sneak peek of literally all of these pools that we have out here. One of these pools could be your pool. Imagine that. I know it's October now, and swimming pools may not be what is on your mind right now. You're probably thinking about football, and you may be anticipating some pumpkin spice in the near future. I know that temperatures are starting to come down a little bit, and this is not typically the time people think about swimming pools, but guess what? This is a fantastic time to get started on the process of getting your yard transformed into a true backyard oasis, one that you and your family can enjoy for years and years to come. So you've got enough time this time of year to get all the planning done, get permits, pick out your shape, all the extra options you may want to put with it and everything like that. Get your HOA approval, get the pool fully installed, ready to swim, ready to enjoy for all of next swim season, for all of the swim season after that, for years and years of amazing enjoyment and relaxation for you and your family. Now is the time to get started on all this, okay? So I just wanted to remind you guys that you've got your most trusted fiberglass pool dealer in all of South and Central Texas since 1979, here and ready to help you transform your backyard into a true private paradise. And now it's time, guys. So reach out to us, 210-494-5002. Let us help you get the process started, and don't wait any longer.